Today we're featuring a 2015 Honda Civic EX. It's Dino Blue Pearl in color. It's got 39,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax one owner. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. Alright, it does have the lock unlock button in the door handles. It is equipped with a sunroof as well. It does have the rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. It does have the lock unlock button on the passenger door handle as well. It's also equipped with blind spot monitoring, and I'll show you that in just a second. Alright, but exterior of this Civic's in great condition. Really like that Dino Blue Pearl color. Alright, 39,000 miles on it. It is a certified Civic. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got your gray and black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have gray cloth seating. Driver's seat's in good shape. Alright, it does have the sunroof. Go ahead and open that up for you. Alright, it does come with keyless entry key fob. Alright. Center console here, you've got your USB hookup. Passenger seat cloth's in good shape. Alright, no problems there. It is an automatic. Down here you got your HDMI, USB, and power outlet. Climate control area here. You're going to have your display screen here with the backup camera and the AM/FM touchscreen. Push button start. Alright, it does have steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. And it's got your blind spot monitoring button here and your Econ button here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 39,689 miles. Go ahead and show your display screen here. We'll get you back to the home page. All right, there's your home page. We'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. All right, and then your blind spot monitoring button. And what that does is it shows you your blind spot. You can hit that button to activate it, or you can use it by the turn signals. Okay, AC is blowing cold, no problems there. It does have your digital speedometer, the push button start. Okay, climate control once again. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Back seat cloth's in good shape. The only thing I see back here is just a little bit of staining right through here, little staining right in here, and then around this center part right here, just around the edges of it, just a little bit, not bad. And then you got a stain right there in the seat. Okay, but overall it's not in bad shape. Just want to point that out to you. You got the center console cup holders here in the back. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's take a look at your trunk space. I got the nice liner back here. Spare tire down there. Okay, but the carpet, everything's in really good shape back here. Plenty of storage room. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. Alright, 16-inch alloys. Alright, tires are brand new. Alright, once again, it's a 2015 Honda Civic EX. It's a certified unit, okay, get you some extra warranty coverage and a multi-point inspection. This thing's been looked over really good. 39,000 miles on it, clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.